How HTTP works in the backend. When a user interacts with a website like clicking a link or submitting a form, the browser creates an HTTP request. This request includes details like the method, get, post, etc., the requested URL, headers, and sometimes a message body. The request travels through the internet using the TCP/IP protocol and reaches the web server. The server software, such as Apache, Nex, or a Node.js app, is always listening for incoming HTTP requests on a specific port, usually 80 for HTTP or 443 for HTTPS. Once the server receives the request, it analyzes the path, method, and headers to decide what to do next. It may serve a static file directly or pass the request to back-end code. If using a framework, middleware might be applied to handle things like security, sessions, or parsing data. If needed, the server logic then communicates with other services, such as a database, to get or save information. The application processes this data and formats it into a response, usually in HTML or JSON format. The server wraps the result in an HTTP response, including a status code and headers. It sends this response back to the client over the same connection. The browser then interprets the response. If it's HTML, it renders the page. If it's JSON, it might update part of the page dynamically. The browser may also send additional requests for other resources like images or style sheets, repeating the process. If the website uses HTTPS, all the communication is encrypted, ensuring security and privacy between the client and the server.